All right, we're only going to do 2 more examples because I think you're getting the gist of it by now. But I wanted to do one example that had a graph. So what we have to do on the graph first is we have to get all of our points. So the scatter plot shows the numbers between numbers of billions of dollars spent on U.S. maps from 1990 through 1995. Well, to put it in our calculator, remember, we need an X and we need a Y for our L1 and our L2s. So we've got to go to each point. Our first point, the X value there is 0, and the Y value is at 16.5. On our next point, the X value is at 1, the Y value is at 17. On our next point, the X value goes over to 2, the Y value goes up to 17.5. Next one, X value is 3, Y value goes to 19. Then we have 4 and 20. Then we have 5 and 20.5. And now that we have all of our values, we can find the line best fit by just putting in our calculator. So once again, you're going to go stat, edit. Now, if you see all of these and you don't have enough points to cover them up, just delete them all. Just hit delete a bunch. Okay? That'll help you from clearing your calculator each time. So, L1, type in all of our X's. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y values, 16.5, 17, 17.5, 19, 20, and 20.5. We have our L1s and our L2s, stat, calc, linear regression, and then go down to calculate. Boom. We get linear regression of y equals 0.07, or sorry, 0.87, I'll rewrite it. Y equals 0.87x plus, and 16.2, that 8 makes it go to a 4. 16.24. Then it says estimate the amount of money spent on books in 2005. Well, from 1990 to 2005, how many years went by? Should be 10, 15. So what we have to do is go back to our equation and plug in 15. So 0.87 times 15 plus 16.24. Push second, quit, and then just calculate it. 0.87 parentheses 15 plus 16.24, which is 29.29. So that is how much money they would spend in 2005 on the maps. Okay, let's do one more just so we get the gist of it. Number 5, the table shows the average number of gallons of milk a family drinks per week. Well, the family size is always predetermined, and the amount of gallons depends on how big their family is. So there's our X, there's our Y. And we just got to go through the same process. So stat, edit, delete all your L1s, delete your L2s, and then plug it back in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1.5, 2.2, 3.8, 4.7, and 5. Go back to stat, calc, linear regression, calculate, and we get y equals 0.89, and that 1 means it's going to stay the same. So 89x plus, oh, actually this is minus because it's negative, so minus, and we'll just go 2 spaces, so 0.086, that 6 makes the 8 go up, so minus 0.09. if we want to find the milk consumption of the 7-member family, all we got to do is plug in 7. So 0.89 times 7 minus 0.09, which will give us 0.897 minus 0.09. 6.14. So they would drink about 6.14 gallons. And that's all we're going to do on our notes today. In class, we're going to have about this much time, so I didn't want you guys getting ahead. On your assignment, it is optional. If you do it, I'll use it as replacement grade, but I know not everybody has a calculator at home to use. So make sure you learn the method, try your best, and for sure finish the notes, even if you don't finish the assignment. The assignment is optional, all right? Have a good day, guys.